whisper. Make me whisper. You see, your precious daughter Destiny will never be safe again. That's a promise.
Indeed. We really and truly dodged a bullet on that one, you know. But you see, the final piece of evidence that I need, it should be in my possession shortly. Very shortly. Alright. Mr. Walker, don't tell me you come to me empty-handed. You know. What do you have for me?
Brother, what kind of style that?
Style? I don't follow you.
You release something to the media and say we're not going to reveal names.
No face was shown. No names were called. This was just my little insurance to ensure that you live up to your end of the bargain. What do you have for me now?
Minister Daly, how me know for sure say when me give you what you want, you not going to release my name with everybody else?
Mr. Walker, I'm a politician. I'm a man of my word.
That not good enough, you know. First time I will link, I tell you some more you sign for absolve me. But if you not do that, just do anything else where you want to do.
Something for something. What do you have for me? And after that, I'll sign whatever you want me to sign. What is it, Mr. Walker?
Minister, you wouldn't even believe if me tell you.
Join us tonight at 8 p.m. for Sunday Night Live right here on Xpressionz JA YouTube channel.